We're going to return to this, but right now we're looking for one really quick fix. We're looking for something called PAINQAB. And actually it's not PAINQAB, it's PAINQAB. Quad and brush. So we need to go look for where this is going to go. And also this is not 87, this is part 88. 161, video 161. Okay, so we're going to kind of figure out where that is. And nobody knows what I'm talking about. These are shower notes I had. So, sometimes I'm trying to figure out names for things, and I can't figure out the name, and then I figure it out in the shower. And, I have no clue where this code is, but at some point we have to take the fragment shader here, this fragment shader code, and we're taking a, somewhere down here, we're taking a, God, is this all stuff all hard-coded? God, I gotta fix that. We are taking a coordinate, and we're doing some conversions. Core rendering algorithm, okay, yeah, There's some transformations for the zoom, right? So here's main, declare variables, get vars stored in texture, right? So we get the viewport 0 and the viewport 1, right? Viewport 1 is the off-screen viewport. Viewport 0 is the on-screen viewport, okay? And fragcom, fic to cov, so fragment integer coordinate to canvas user coordinate. That's what this is. And okay, so in this code, I'm guessing, is where I need to go. So let's go look in fragcom for a second. So fragment common shader code, that's what that is. So frag, and let's go look in the fragment shader code. And I'm going to guess that this function uses some other components. And inside here is probably the function that I need to find. That I gave it a stupid name, and I want to change that. Or maybe not. Fragcom to canvas user view coordinate. That actually looks alright. Maybe it was in the click, right? So, maybe it was the click. Let's do C2 bruh something or other. I don't know exactly what it was. Brush pixel chord. Yeah, brush pix. That's what it is. So brush pix has the tile quadrant, a BX, and a BY, right? So I think that this name right here is wrong. It's not wrong, it's just the name I gave it at the time I wrote this, but I don't like it. I think that it makes more sense, and let me make sure I have my chat open here. Hey, how's it going, anime dude? I am just really quickly trying to get some code written. Like, this is only gonna be like 30 minutes. I'm just trying to, like, I'm not even in my correct web browser here, right? That's why this looks a little bit different from what you might have usually seen when I pull this down on here. But yeah, I am just trying to rename something because I had an idea in the shower for the correct name. So this thing here needs to be changed to quad and brush. And then this thing here, we can just say, usually I don't put function names in my shortcuts, but it's like I'm never gonna type that correctly. And then we could type this. And if we type that, it can give us this. And we could also do cov to quab, cov to okay. So, oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, I mean, when you're ready, Yeah, when you're ready, just drop it in the chat. I'll check it out. I don't know why my dashboard in Twitch is like crazy different in Torch browser than it is in Chrome. What you were seeing is Chrome browser, by the way. Okay, so let's take this, and basically I want to find any place that I have this function here. I want to find in files really quick. It might all be in Paint5D, I don't know. Paint5D convert to. Oh, so it's in Paint5D and then Paint5D convert to. That's fine. Okay, so we're going to go over here, and we're just going to say, wherever we see this, we're going to change it to what we actually want it to be. It's not saving? Ooh, that's bad times. Like you've done a whole bunch of work and then you try to like save that work and you're having a problem. That's yeah, that's a bad time. I have lost many hours of work from things like working on like a 3D model for hours, and then somebody pulls the power, and then boom, you lose like hours of work. And then after a while, you start to impulsively go Control S like all the time. And I do that all the time now. Like I compulsively do Control S for save. Okay. So in here we have QuickFix to BrushPix, whatever, and that's for brush pixels. But so is it like a tower defense kind of game? Is that what we're talking about? Because you say turret, so I think tower defense game. There's also this other game that's not a tower defense game. It was like a really old game I used to play in middle school called Bolo, which you've probably never heard of. Oh yeah, yeah, Gmod. Yeah, because we're going over to Team Fortress stuff. Yeah, I remember. Yeah, okay. Because I was looking at the spy video and you mentioned that the spy was overpowered. Okay, so anyways, in here, I'm going to take this and I'm going to replace it with this. Find next. So this is going to be a replace. And then if we try to compile that, I want a sanity check to make sure that I am actually breaking things and that I'm not like, I don't want to hallucinate here. Oh, that's the wrong thing. God damn it. ./AAC2020.sh. Is that a capital or a lowercase? I think that my file name is all capital. That'll probably still work, yeah? So this should fail, and it should say that this function declaration doesn't exist. Quad and brush, that's good. I expected that. So now we're going to go look up Paint5D, and in Paint5D, we've made a new Paint5D section. convert to functions because we're running out of room. We're running out of room, so we're like, let's just put all these convert functions over here. And in here we have this. So let's replace this, right? So we have a to-do to say, hey, make some unit tests. So we can get to that eventually. Okay, so let's give this a run, make sure it still works. And this is all I wanted to do. All I wanted to do is just, I had this variable name, and I just wanted to make sure that I refactored it with that name in mind, because the name, oh, okay, I'll take a look at your thing, hold on. P for pattern, alright, so we got this pattern. And now we can zoom in, and we can zoom in nice and fast. And then we can also do, what is it, R and V for slow zoom? Yeah, R and V. So R to zoom up and above, V to zoom down and in. And then we also got J, K, and L to go left and right. Okay, that looks good. I'm going to commit that, and then I'm going to take a look at what you got. And then I'm going to get out of here. Git status, git add dot. Git status, git commit -am. We're just gonna say brush picks to rename PAINQAB. Okay. Let me go. Oh, also, I'm going to push this up to kanji coder as well. Git push kanji coder master. So, push it up to the public kanji coder so other people can take a look at it. Okay, so let's go take a look at what you got here. And then I'm out of here. Well, let's see what you got. Now, you said, now, is this, because you said Gary's mod, so I don't think this is Gary's mod stuff. Okay, so we got grab, delete all, WASD, spawn turret. Okay, free map play. Okay, shoot. Oh, and also I need to turn off my hotkeys or else that'll interfere here. Okay, and so it looks like we got a play button. Okay, oh, I probably should have paid attention to that. Okay, so we got WASDs. Alright. So we definitely need something in the background. Oh, I guess this is one area. And then G for grab, so I don't think G is going to work for anything because there's nothing really to grab. Delete, oh, that sounds like I can put stuff down, right? Okay, yeah. So my bad. So, also, try not to give me hints, because if you're game testing, you wanna... Okay, so shit is coming at me. Oh, the turrets that are spawned are actually gonna shoot me. Is that what's going on? Okay, so if I spam the R button, I can see... Okay, let's just press all the keys and see what happens here. So T key, green portal. And you said you were working on the turret spawning. Okay, so P. Let's see, try Q here. Alright. And then is that... Okay. So now we need... How do I decide what direction I'm shooting here? Am I always shooting in that direction? Oh, hold on, mouse, my bad. So yeah, okay, yeah, so there is mouse in here. So some type of icon here would help. I mean, an icon that shows you that where you're shooting to. Okay, now I see. Okay, got it. You know, interesting. It's following my cursor. I don't know if that's a glitch or not. Alright, and let's see. P... Oh, space is to spawn blocks. Let's try that out. Okay, alright. What do you got over here? Oh, is this the red portal? Where's the green portal? T? Let's just do spawn. R for spawn turret, and then blocks. Space. What if I... Oh, okay. Alright, I'm just gonna spam this for a little bit. Spam, 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 spam. Okay, so... collision with blocks might be nice for what's coming at me. Now, I don't know... I'm assuming that you have some type of turret, but you still need to make it visible or something. Alright, because something's obviously shooting from over here, but it can't really be seen. Alright, Alright, I'll go take a look at your notes here. Turrets won't spawn. You didn't select anything at the beginning. Restart the game and select the mods. Okay, let me try. Let me go put this up at the top so I can read what you're saying while I'm looking at this. Let's go take this down here. And let's go. Let's just refresh, right? Okay, you didn't select anything at the beginning. Okay, so let's see what's going on here. Alright, so... Okay, got ya, because I was supposed to select something here, right? And I just kind of like... Oh, I see, so... The mess... Okay, let me try that again. So it looks like the menu needs to be able to go back and forth, because right now it only goes forward. So you're saying... Okay, got you, that you can select... Okay. So I'm not sure what the significance of selecting those things is, but I'm going to just try to use some of the other keys and see what happens. So let's try T for a second. And... Okay, R. Okay, so now I can see the actual this character, right? So is where earlier something was shooting at me and I didn't see it. And now I can see it. So let's see. We had what key was can we grab it? Can we grab this? Like, what are we supposed to be able to grab? I'm just gonna go over here and just see what happens if I go over here. Okay, so obviously I take damage on a contact or with the bullet. Oh, I'm looking. Not even paying attention to my health. Oh, okay, I see. But can I grab this? I don't know. Let me try. Oh, can't try. So, oh, I see. So I take damage if I get hit, but if I touch it, oh, I see. It drains your health really quickly when you get near it. Okay. So let's see. I forgot what shoot was. Spawn turret. WSD to move. E to delete all. Q was shoot. Yeah, okay. So Q. Okay. So we still have to figure out a way to, right, the graphic got deleted, but the actual origin of where that's coming from is still there. Let's take a look inside. Oh boy. Okay, so we got... Oh, I see what you're talking about. So we got some sprites. And... This doesn't seem to snap to my... Oh, I guess we can... This UI is kind of cramped right here. I don't know how to make it... Okay, so you have sprites, and... Alright. So I've never actually used this before. Just the player... Yeah, the player sprite. Yeah, I assumed, yeah. When I receive teleports, this is like a forever loop. Touching sprite 6, so sprite 6 is this green thing. Then go to sprite 7. Okay, so here's your... Okay, guys, the teleport... when I receive... Okay. And then... This looks like it's then go to sprite 7. And I'm guessing this code is somehow connected to this code here, right? So this code here is somehow connected to this code. I may be not understanding that correctly. Or is this just is this a completely separate kind of thing here? Oh, I'm guessing they have to be connected, right? This is just like a... This is kind of like event-driven programming. So I did some like action script back in the day. When the flag is clicked, okay, a forever loop, infinite loop, wait until the Q key is pressed, okay, and then broadcast a player shoot, and then wait, right? So we don't want to be able to spam the shooting too much, so we wait. Okay, got it. When this flag is clicked, go to 0, 0, so some type of, is this like the starting point? Okay, set health to 100. Okay, yep. Hide variable health. When I receive close, show variable health. Oh, did I... Okay, when clicked, switch costume, costume 1. Touching sprite 4, then change X by 10. Okay, and this is the... Oh, this is the flag. This is this little flag thing. Got ya. Okay, okay, I see. So the flag is the kind of like the kind of like start game kind of button. Okay, forever, if health equals 0, then broadcast respawn, go to random position. Okay. Alright. Okay. Forever. If right arrow key pressed, then right arrow pressed. Huh? Oh, okay, let me actually... So hold on here. It said right arrow pressed. Oh, no. Oh, yeah, because movement. Got it. So we have right arrow, and then we have WASD. Okay, got ya. So we have... So I'm going to assume these two things are exactly the same, right? And one's for the... one's for WASD, and one is for... Okay, got it, yeah. One is for WASD, one's for the arrow keys. Got it. Got ya, okay. So... Yeah, I mean, I think you eventually are going to need to learn a different programming language. And I mean, I can help you eventually. But eventually this is going to be very hard to like make really big things. That's just my professional opinion. But I think it's good to start somewhere. So if this is what you're doing, keep at it. But eventually, like, I would like you to branch out, and I will help teach you. Like, if you have a language in mind that you want to start learning, I can help you get started. But I know it can be kind of intimidating. Programming languages can be kind of intimidating. But I added the previous button. Okay. So if I go to refresh this, right? If I go here, do I get like the changes you made to it? Like I have like do I have like read only access and then you have like read write access, or like I don't know how that works. So let's close. So we had a T for a portal. Oh, okay, so I see a portal over there. Okay. Now was that because of my mouse? Okay, yeah, the mouse, got it. And then red portal, P. Okay, so okay. Alright. And then if I go in here, I go into the other one, right? Alright, nice. And there's a little timeout. Oh, is there a timeout, or is it always green to red? Like... Eh. Okay, always green to red? Okay. And you said you added the previous button. P... Remix... Remix to make mods. Also, space. Now, is there any collision? Any collision? Alright, so there seems to be some kind of... Uh-huh. Collision on this side seems kind of wonky. Alright. And then I don't know what this thing is. It's green to red, yeah. Green to red, yeah. For the portals, yeah. But yeah, like, yeah, I mean, programming can be kind of intimidating, but as long as you can think, Remix shows up when you make an account. Okay. Yeah, but as long as, let's see, let me go up here for a second, because I don't want to expose any stuff here. So let's go, let's see, join, don't use a real name, alright, sure, why not? Create password. What? Oh, not hiding my password. Well, I guess it's good I put that on another screen. It's a good thing I wasn't thinking about using a good password. Oh, because show password is clicked by default. Okay. Okay. And I'm going to make a note of this stuff. So, scratch. So I have to make this off screen for obvious reasons, so... Okay, select country. United States of America, next. Okay, so I think month, July, 1986, because I'm old. Mail, blah, blah, blah. Next. Email, so they can spam me. Alright. Anyways, so let's put this down here. Remix shows up when you make an account. So let me go back up to what you were saying over here. And I gotta get going soon, but let me just see what happens when I go up here. Oh, okay, so remix, so I can click this and it's gonna like make a copy that I can edit. Project saved as remix. Okay, got ya. And then, so events, sound, motion. Oh, interesting. So events have a little curve on top because you can't plug them into anything else. Okay. Controls, you can put stuff in the middle of them. Okay. Sensing. Operators, variables. Make a variable. Okay. Okay, interesting. So I gotta get going. But yeah, I mean, keep on making stuff, and eventually when you're ready, you know, hit me up when you find, like, a language you want to learn. Unfortunately, I don't really have time to, like, play with kind of Scratch stuff, because, I have to focus on my one project. Like, I've been at that point in my life where, like, I have, like, you know, 6 different projects going at once, and then, you know, certain projects end up getting abandoned and all that. And I finally kind of found that, like, one thing I want to put all my time and energy into. But I'm going to get going, because I just wanted to make that one change to my code, right? I was just basically just renaming one variable. That's all I got on here for. So the next time I'll be back in any capacity will be Monday. So Monday is when I drink coffee. Git push GitHub master, or actually kanji coder master. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I gotta go. I'll see you when I see you. Stay out of trouble. And, see you Monday, maybe.